Hello, this is how to do a complex circuit. This is from your complex circuit worksheet, and it's to show you how to get from something as crazy as this to something more simple. And you want to find out the equivalent resistance of a circuit. So this is just going to be on the equivalent resistance. Notice there's no voltage, so we're not going to figure out any current. So the idea is you want to go from something like this to something that would be more simple. One resistor and one power supply. Okay, so how do we get from here to there? The idea is first you have to find a couple spots where it's purely parallel or purely series. Okay, these two are purely series. You could deal with that. I'm going to pick this one first. These two sixes are purely parallel. So what we want to do is we want to just simplify these two sixes first by themselves, which will look more like this. Okay, we're going to replace that with a new resistor. All right. Now, if these two are 6 and they're in parallel, the shortcut for finding equivalent resistance is if you have two that are the same value, 6 and 6. Okay, you divide the value it is by the number of resistors there are. So since there's two 6-ohm resistors, you're going to divide 6 by 2, which means that the equivalent resistance of this is going to be 3. All right. Now we have two different ones that are in series. We have a 6 in series with a 2, and we have a 5 in series with a 3. So we can replace this whole circuit with something that's just one resistor here and one resistor there. So we can replace this and have the 6 and 2 replaced with just one resistor, and the 5 and 3 replaced with just one resistor. Okay, now that they're in series, with the series circuits, you just add them up. So 6 and 2 becomes 8, and 5 and 3 becomes 8 also. And again, we can use a shortcut. We have two resistors that are the same resistance, and they're in parallel. And the shortcut again is if you have two that are the same in parallel, you can divide that number by 2. So 8 and 8, our new resistor can be a 4. And so our resistance, the equivalent resistance of all of this here, is just one 4-ohm resistor. All right, that's it. Thank you.